Good evening, investors. This is the Jet Life. Really happy to bring you our newest pick, BYSD, the Bayside Petroleum Incorporated. Our last trade was this afternoon, June 26th. It's a Tuesday. Our last trade was 0.08, which is exactly the same thing as we closed at the day before, giving us a 0% change. However, we did hit a high of 0.09 on only 22,100 shares traded. BYSD has got a lot of potential. I think we're going to see a big breakout on our daily charts here, and all the other indicators are lining up to prove that. Let's start with our 14-day RSI. It's at 43.67. We're just underneath that 50. Have a long way to run there before we cap out and I need to worry about it. Our daily charts here, I want to put down these two trending resistance lines that we've been having. One was at the very end of September, or very end of August, beginning of September, all the way up until about December. We had this, trending, this downtrend resistance line, which we did break out of. If I put down this other line here, we did have a breakout where we saw a big increase, and recently we've been once again underneath this downtrending resistance line, which, as you can see, we very firmly come up and touched. I'd like to also say that we do have a resistance line, or support line rather, at about 0.06 and 0.05. No risk, I don't think, in going underneath that 0.06, but if so, that 0.05 is definitely the bottom limit. We haven't crossed underneath that since the middle of December, and that was just a fluke there. Also, we do have another support or resistance line this time at about 0.09, and our next one's going to be about 0.11. Both of these, I think, are very feasibly broken through in the future, since we have seen this increase in liquidity since about the beginning of April. We've had a higher increase in shares, which you can see in another one of our indicators down here. We have this channel trading too, which I really like. I think that even further proves that we could see a big breakout when the market opens tomorrow. Our MACD line is pinching. I think we could see a crossover when the market opens. They're both at exactly the same. The signal line and the MACD line are both at 0.013, negative 0.013. Our ADX line is beginning to reverse itself. We have our positive DI coming back up, and they're coming together, the negative and the positive DI. That's a good sign, telling us that our trend is trying to reverse itself. Our tricks chart here is also kind of doing this little pinch thing. It's coming back up near its signal line, and that's a bullish indicator. Once we cross over that line, I think it's a very positive sign. Our PVO is above the zero line, telling us that we have been trading a little bit stronger than usual. As you saw, we had bottomed out there pretty far, and we've definitely made a big climb up. We are also above our signal line, giving us another bullish indication. Slow stochastics just crossed over the signal line. That's a strong indicator that we're going to start seeing some gains, some trends. Everything's lined up perfectly there. The CCI bottomed out underneath its negative 100 and reversed that and become positive. Same thing with the money flow index. We were down really far down before, but we've made a strong recovery. Did a little bit of consolidation, and now we've started this nice gradual climb back up again. It's at 41.36, right below the 50 there too. It's a good place to be, showing some strength. Our checking money flow, we have been decreasing our amount of negative market and increasing our amount of positive buys here, which is always a great sign. We are underneath right now, but we are pointed up, gaining some strength in our buys there, our gains. It is actually fairly overall a very strong market, which is always a good sign that we like. Stochastic RSI, we're above 0.2 and not going down. That's giving us a decent indicator that we're going to see some turnover, reversal here. We're going to see some more gains. Accumulation and distribution wise, we've had very consistent, very steady increase in accumulation over the last few months. Same thing with on-balance volume. As you can see, we got all kinds of really good indicators here. Some strong evidence that we're going to see some gains tomorrow when the market opens. Really excited about it, and we hope that you guys are too. If you have any questions or comments, want to discuss a BYSD, just contact us on the iHub boards by searching Jet Life at www.ihub.com. You can also find us on jetlifepennystocks.com, where you can sign up for our newsletter. As always, good luck in the markets, and we will see you on the boards.